Hello kids, today I will tell you another story, and today's story is titled Four Friends. Long time ago in a jungle lived three friends, a turtle, a crow and a mouse. They were very good friends, they always helped each other. One day when they were sitting and talking near the lake, a deer walked up to them. Upon seeing the deer for the first time in the jungle, the turtle said,
"You are a new being. I have never seen you in this jungle before."
Yes, I'm new to this jungle. The previous jungle in which I lived, I had no friend. There I tried to other animals, but no one wanted to be my friend, so I left the jungle and ultimately reached her.
So you are all alone and you are in need of a friend.
The turtle, the crow and the rat look at each other and smile.
Although we were just three friends so far, but now we are four.
The deer became friends with them. The next day all four of them went in different direction to look for food. By evening they used to meet at the same spot. Everything continued the same way for a few days. Then one day the deer didn't return in the evening. Due to this, other three friends started getting worried.
The sun has almost set. Why hasn't the deer yet returned?
He never get much late.
Yes, he should have been back by now.
We must go and look for him.
Yes, let's go and search him.
No, not you two search him, only I will go. I can fly, thus I have a wider view and will be able to touch him quickly.
The crowd took off to search the deer. After wandering for a while, the crow heard a voice. He gazed down at the ground and saw the deer is trapped in a net. Seeing his friend in a dreary condition, he immediately went down to him.
"Dear friend, just helped me get out of here."
You don't worry, let me think of something.
Without wasting time, he flew back to the turtle and the rat who were waiting for him. The crew narrated them the whole situation.
What are you saying, the hunter?
Yes, a hunter has trapped the deer here. Before hunter return, my friend, come with me, not the trap with your sharp teeth.
The crow and rat reached the spot.
Closest net, my friend.
The rat quickly knocked the net and the deer was free. The turtle also was reached there.
Are you okay, my friend?
"Yes, I am fine. All of you saved me."
Then suddenly the hunter returned to the spot and saw the deer free. The rat saw the hunter.
Oh my God, hunter is here, run, run.
Seeing the hunter came closer, all of them started to flee. The crow flew away, the rat ran the nearest hole, the deer sprinted inside the bushes. The turtle, however, could neither run nor hide. The hunter caught the turtle, put him a sack and took him away. After some time, the deer, the rat and the crow gathered at one place. They were very sad about the turtle being captured.
In order to save my life, turtle got captured.
I have a trick to which the turtle can be saved.
How?
The hunter is alone and we are three. He hasn't reached the river yet.
The crow explained them history and how it has to be executed. When they reached lakeside, according to the crow trick, the pretended to be dead and the crow pretended going crow eyes. The rat was ready, waiting in the bushes for the right moment. The hunter approached the spot and saw the deer lying dead on the road. He said, the hunter got greedy and went ahead to catch the deer. As soon as the hunter moved away from the sack, the mouse ran to the sack and started gnawing it. The moment the hunter came closer to the deer, the crow flew away. The deer got up and ran away. The hunters failed to understand what was happening by how the rat had freed the turtle from the sap. They immediately rushed toward bushes. The hunter came back disappointed to pick up the sack to find out that the sack was not, and the turtle had escaped. The hunter felt